Good morning everyone. So today we're at a Vauxhall Meriva 2010. So the customer's complaint with this one was a sticking handbrake cable. This wheel at the rear driver's side was staying on. So what we done, we popped underneath and we just disconnected the end of the handbrake cable, and the caliper went, when we came to it first after we released the handbrake, this one was down, still down, but this one had released and returned to its natural position up the way. So what we done, we just, to get the driver on the road again, we just released it, we just popped this out and that popped up. So we knew it was not the caliper, the problem was within the cable. So we need to replace this cable, and it's a pity you couldn't get in two sections, because we just need the section that goes from here, and that could pop out, going along to here, but you have to renew the lot. And it's quite a difficult part to get. There's not a lot of aftermarket stuff going about. So the cable just comes along there, held on a bracket there, held on a bracket there, and then goes up through here. And then it comes along, and it goes into the electric motor. And it's a matter of just turning this off, taking that plastic shroud, turning it off, and then the cable pops out there. I'll show you that. But first of all, you've got to put the parking brake into service mode. So I'll quickly show you that. So to put the parking brake into service mode, you can see it's on at the moment because this light's on. So we come down to this button and we press and hold it until we see the yellow flashing light. So foot on the brake, press and hold. And we wait for the light up here to start flashing. Then we take our finger off the button and we do it again. You hear the noise. And that's it in parking mode when it's flashing. Key off, and then you go and do the work on the handbrake. So this is putting it into service mode. So handbrake off, finger off the button, back on again. And there we go, that's us in service mode. So you then remove that big plastic thing. No bother at all already. Sandy's never had his porridge. There we go. And that reveals the inners. And then it's just a matter of popping that cable out, but we'll adjust the car back a wee bit so we can see it. Used an adjustable spanner about that size. So what we've done, just chopped up the angle grinder so we can get a straight punch right on it. That's tight.
Rusty, didn't he? Right, open it up a bit. Look at the rust.
Oh, there we go.
That's it.
Perfect. Do the other side. Just want to fold in.
Ending, eh?
Does that lift up? There we go. Just lies in like, just lies in like that. Just the part to put the new one on. Vauxhall Meriva brake cable. So FKB Foxtrot Kilo Bravo 6012. There it is. And the routing is. Oh, sorry, lad. The routing is the cable goes over the top of the beam, then comes down, and then goes into the motor. And Ron's got to put the handbrake on. Lovely. Head off. That's it, right on, right. So the most important bit is this gap up there, so when Roddy takes the handbrake off, this has to go no gap there. Right, my man, off. Start the car then. Put the foot in the brake. That's it. Perfect. We are rolling. Both sides. Handbrake on, ready. Off. Grand. And watch that again. Off. Perfect. Perfect! Last bit you do is you put these little clips on, but open it up a wee bit. That's it, you get a nice one. Right, then they go in, and they go into, oops, they go into there to keep this up. It goes out the brake caliper. Alright, doing that, that's it, you get in there, lad. And it clicks. There you go, is that you?
That's it.
And that's it.
Pushed in.
Pushed in, so that's the clip in there, so